Joseph Glenn Herbert, born June 2, 1971, known professionally as Joe Coy, is an American stand-up comedian and actor. He was a frequent panelist on E!'s late-night show Chelsea lately, and he has since had a total of 6 comedy specials released by Comedy Central and Netflix. In 2024, Coy hosted the 81st Golden Globe Awards. Coy was born to an American father, John C. Herbert, who was in the United States Air Force stationed in Japan when he married Coy's Filipina mother, Josie Harrison. His stepfather, Frederick Harrison, also helped raise him. His family moved from Spanaway, Washington to Tacoma, Washington. He originally attended Spanaway Lake High School and then Foss High School in Tacoma. Soon after he finished high school, the family moved to Las Vegas to be near his ailing grandmother. Joe Coy enrolled in the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, but dropped out to pursue stand-up comedy. Coy has said that his stage name comes from a nickname his family gave him when he was growing up. It was said during his stand-up routine in Phoenix, Arizona, on September 22, 2019, that back in 1989, he was talking to his cousin about making a stage name when his aunt called him to come to dinner, shouting, "Joe Co, eat." Co means my in Tagalog, so Joe Co means my Joe, which he misheard as Coy, and deciding that it was a good name, has used it ever since. Personal life. Coy was previously married to Filipino-American singer Angie King. Coy has a son, Joseph Jr., from his marriage to King, born at Cedars-Sinai Hospital in April 2003. His mother's sister, Evelyn Magluyan, is the first Filipino gymnast to represent the Philippines in the Olympics. For a time, around the production of his Comin' in Hot special, Coy was described as considering Hawaii as a second home. As of 2023, Coy lived in Los Angeles, and Coy's son lived between the homes of his father and mother, which are 1 block down from each other. Coy's stepfather, retired Army Sergeant Frederick Harrison, died in 2023 and was eulogized by Coy, who said he served 20 years, received 2 Purple Hearts, 2 Bronze Stars, and a SIB Combat Infantryman badge, of which he was most proud. He was a hero, my hero. Coy and Chelsea Handler were in a relationship between 2021 and 2022. As of January 2023, Coy was described as being a practitioner of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. In 2023, Coy got his arm tattooed by Mambabatak Wilma 8 Wams Gospili at Igaro's Charm Cafe across Baguio Botanical Garden. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.